Look at this. 1 second. 1 second left on the microwave. Some lazy son of a couldn't wait 1 second for his food to be done. His lazy had to take it out with 1 second left. What a lazy What the is wrong with that What a dildo. Can he, can his parents be proud of him for being a lazy for leaving the damn 1 second left on the microwave? You What the is wrong with you, you You're a That's what you are. That's who you're a That's it. Wait a second. You know what? This is my microwave in my break room. I only use this microwave. Okay. Okay. Never mind.